Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to redeem reward points with Kikoff. It's going to be a quick video. Let's just get straight into it. It's a step-by-step guide, so just follow these steps. The first step, of course, is to log into your Kikoff account. Remember, you can log into your Kikoff account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. So just log in with your credentials, and once you're logged in, just click on redeem rewards. Next, you're going to enter the number of points to redeem, and you can choose the redemption option. It could be cashback, or it could be gift cards, or whatever else is available to use for the redemption option. Just go with the one that you want to use, and then you're going to need to review and confirm the redemption details. You got to make sure that the number as well as the redemption methods are accurate, and then you just got to wait for the redemption to be processed by Kikoff. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to redeem reward points with Kikoff. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.